daw, Christmas message daw. Huwag ka daw iiyak, ayaw niya daw umiiyak.
Iiyak, oras-oras umiiyak. Ay, nararanasan ko. Hindi ako makatayo. Ay,
Ano?
nasagsit na yung likod ko dito. Ay, ay, ay,
Oh,
ay. Ay, 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 ay.
ano bang tumama sa kanya?
Yung dito po,
Likod lahat.
Ano kayo?
nung nabagsak ko nung ano.
Asan yung wheelchair mo, Lola? Di ba dati may wheelchair ka?
Oh, meron din ako pagka ilalabas.
Hindi nga ako nakasisilip na. Yun ba?
Eh, maintindihan na ni Papa Lord, ni Papa Jesus yan, kaya di nakakasimba. Message ka na.
Hello, Raleigh.
Don't cry.
Merry Christmas. I'm very sad that you saw me like this. I cannot stand. I cannot walk. Because my two legs were broken. I want sana to, I want to stand, to walk. I cannot go to church. That's why I'm very, very excited when I receive your money. I can buy my medicine. Very, 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 very. Huh? I cannot see anymore. Little only. I cannot speech. I cannot see anything
Surround you.
my surrounding. Siguro maybe I'm very, wait, wait. I can,
Don't cry. Bawal ang sad. Dapat happy.
I don't know, even Lil, I didn't see anymore. You. I cannot talk anymore. I think we will not see anymore. I want to see all of you sana. Pero, but I can't. It is very big.
Help.
Nalilimutan. I have forgotten my memory already. Oo. Yung lolo, Alzheimer. Ngayon, now, I can buy my medicine. My medicine is 1,500, 1,000 plus a day. But I can't.
So expensive, Lola. So expensive.
That is why I'm very surprised when I saw Merla. Wait, 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 wait.
Okay.
I want to talk to New York. To ask for my yung mga to.
Si Lola Nori?
To Humingi ng tulong. Kailangan, hanggang patulad niyan. One, takot mo kondat. Yung paayos ng kirot.
Pain reliever?
One pain reliever, 58 pesos. Yun yung receiver, pakita mo
Wow.
siya.
Pain reliever?
Pain reliever, 58. 3 times a day. How would I? I cannot buy my medicine anymore. I cannot ask for Tito Boy. Because Tito Boy,
She can? He can?
ano mo ba dito, naman ako maiabot.
Kasi ano abot niyo?
Ay, ulag ba ako? Ulag ba ako?
Paano ba? Ganyan?
Ulag lang.
Bakit nauntog din ba siya?
Ano gaganon?
Kailangan...
Nasend lang ako.
Hindi kayo... Naka-diaper kayo?
Nalis ko kanina kasi naligo ako.
Kailangan naka-diaper na lang pala. Hindi kayo nakakapunta sa CR.
Ayun, dalawa-dalawa.
Dyan na lang.
Ito nga si... Yan na rin. Pagdating yan, miss yung dalawa yan. Kawawa naman ako. Kaya ako hindi pwede laging walang pera. Kasi maya bumibili.
Lola, matatapos na. O say thank you na lang.
Dali, thank you very much for this, ha. This is very good. Mrs. Biga na. Nalilimutan ko. Tulungan mo ako, Marla. Hindi ako
Tagalogin mo na, Lola. Alam mo naman, I hate English.
Ha?
Tagalog. You can speak Tagalog. You're really... He have, translator.
This Marla.
Yes?
Maybe next maybe may when I die. So, sila. Then, sisibing Gabriel. Even can come here. So, thank you very much for this. I can buy medicine now for tonight and for tomorrow.
Bye-bye.